What's up everybody, Manuela Vincent back with another video, and on today's video I'm actually going to show you how you can earn anywhere from $25 per sale up to $2,000 per sale. I'm going to actually cover what the program is, how you can get started. But before I get into the content of that video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Basically on my channel I'm going to be talking a lot about how you can start a home-based business from the comfort of your home, earn money, as well as ways where you can actually work for someone else. How you can find freelance jobs, how you can get started working legit jobs from home. Okay, so you're gonna find a lot of that as part of the content on my channel. But mainly I'm involved in, a lot of affiliate marketing type of programs where there isn't a small investment, okay? So if any of that resonates with you, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. Also be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I do drop another video, okay? So basically this program is an extension off of another basic program that I already spoke about before. If you're familiar with this video, if not, go ahead and check it out. The program encompasses basically Profits Passport basically encompasses this program amongst many other programs within the funnel of the system. Okay, this is on the front end of that program. Again, if you haven't checked this video out, I highly recommend you do so that way you're gonna, it's basically a walkthrough of what that system looks like, how you can make not only one income but 6 income streams all in one system. So basically you want to check that out. But on today's video I'm actually going to go over the first program that's in that funnel and kind of break that out for you, show you the back office a little bit, and basically cover what it is, okay, and how you're able to basically make that kind of money. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. Basically what you'll do is the link, obviously, as always, I dropped the link to the program in my description, so be sure to check that out. And I do also provide other ways, other opportunities that I'm in where you can also earn money from the comfort of your home. Okay, so once you click the link to get started or to go over and just check it out to see what it is, you can actually get started with this system for free. You don't have to pay anything initially to actually activate the system. So let me reiterate that way. When you go and click the link, it's going to ask you to set up a username, some basic profile information, and you don't have to pay anything to actually activate the system itself. Okay, if you've probably seen this program around, I'm sure a lot of you probably have heard of it. If you're in affiliate marketing, you know what it's all about, but I'm just going to cover, kind of high level. But it's called Easy1Up. And again, guys, the system is free to get into. The next step from that, in order for you to start earning commissions, you're going to have to activate and select one of the basically marketing programs in there. So this program, guys, basically is it covers a lot of digital marketing courses. It's a digital courseware that walks anybody that's in business, entrepreneurial minded people, anybody who's interested in that, go ahead and check this out. If you're already a business owner, there's things in there that will let you make you become a better business owner. Okay, how to market the right way. There's just so many things I can't go over them in this video, but I'm gonna just go right into it, and we'll let you see what it's all about. So basically, I'm gonna log into my back office of this. Okay, now I personally have not made any commissions off of this yet. I've gotten some signups, but again, that doesn't mean that they're going to purchase. Again, the more you put this information out there, which is why I love YouTube, because I get a lot of views to my videos, and that's how I'm getting signups. They might not come today, they might not come tomorrow. Guys, I have videos out here 2 years ago that I'm still getting signups from, and people that are purchasing into some other programs I'm in, because I have my YouTube video out there. So I highly recommend YouTube. If you guys aren't on YouTube, check it out, because it is another great marketing platform. I actually prefer this over being on Instagram and Facebook and all those. They work great, but I am very comfortable with video marketing and I love it. And I just feel like I can engage more people. You can comment and just kind of go back and forth. So you got to kind of get out of your comfort zone. I like to reiterate that a little bit, because people are scared to put their face on camera. And honestly, guys, you don't even have to put your face on camera. You know, you can just show the screen like I'm showing, you know, without your face. There's so many ways to get this information out there. Honestly, you know, the best way is to show your face because it's that, you know, trust like process. You know, if you get to see my face, you know I'm a real person and you know what I'm all about. You get to hear me talk, and people like that. So that's why I'm able to get signups and people viewing my videos and things like that. So highly recommend YouTube, okay? But as far as this program goes, again, it's free to join to get the system. You don't have to take action right away. Again, people are not going to always join on the first time of seeing something. It might take 10, 20 times before someone's going to actually take action on your products, okay, or whatever you're promoting. So again, I just want to show you what this is about. So, you know, you have your dashboard. I don't want to show too much information, but basically, you know, you'll get people to come and they'll just kind of sign up for the system and they might just sit there, okay? As you can see here, right? Again, I've been promoting this. This is actually my first video doing an Easy1Up video for this. So I'm hoping to get a lot of people's feedback on this. Also, you know, some signups or what have you. But I've been marketing this primarily through that other video I just showed you guys earlier. So definitely go back and review that because there's a lot of different ways you can make money with that system, okay? Anyway, you'll get your back office. These are actually sales pages that are created for you where you can actually send people to, and then you'll capture their email information, and that way this you can do follow-up. The system does follow-up. However, I highly recommend Profit Passport because the guy who created that system, since this program is in the front end of that, basically once they come in there, it actually, he does all the work for you, where basically he's sending out email blasts on your behalf. Whereas this, if I'm just going to market this alone this way, guys, I'm not really too pleased with the sales pages that they have in here. They're not too eye-catching. And again, you have to do your own follow-up, okay? So if you have time for that, you know, go ahead and just take advantage of that. However, I'm really all about automation, and I have lists already that I market this to. I'm building my list daily, so that's what you want to be doing, okay? And another thing, guys, in this program, they're going to talk about how to build lists. They're going to talk about how to do leads, you know, how to get leads, how do you use social media as your platform to grow your businesses. Basically, guys, I'm going to show you the products, okay? So when you come in, you have many choices in here. Based upon whichever level you come in on, that's what you're going to make or earn with this program, okay? Let's say someone comes in at one of the higher levels and you're not at that higher level, you're only going to get paid up to the level you're at. So let's say that someone purchases a $500 pack marketing program in here. Well, and you're at the lower level. Let's say you're at the $100 level. Okay, that's what I'm at. I'm at the $100 full disclosure because I kind of wanted to test this out and see what I could do with it. So let's say I'm at that. Well, someone comes above me and gets into the higher level. Well, guess what, guys? I'm only going to get that 100. That's all I'm going to get. So honestly, you want to be at the highest level that you can get into with this program because that's going to make you the most money. Now, this program, again, talks about how you can market this, okay? We do have a group on Facebook that talks about those kind of things as well. I'm going to show you that as well and show you the income proof that people are making with this program. Again, I haven't marketed this program just solely by itself because I like the Profit Passport system, which I showed you guys in the beginning, which is this right here. Go check that out because it actually is a game changer. I actually, the traffic that I get, I purchase traffic, guys. And that is probably the best method you want to use. I've gotten signups to many of my other offers with purchasing traffic. Solo ads work great. You just got to know how to pick the right vendors, okay? But a lot of people that are having success with this, guys, are purchasing solo ad traffic, okay? So that's full disclosure there as well. A lot of people come into these things and think it's going to be so easy. You have to have money to get started making money, guys. It takes money to make money. That is so true. That's speaking from someone who struggled and slowly understood that. Like, there's great ways. This is free marketing. I'm using YouTube. That's how I'm getting people coming to me. But the best marketing or the best way to get traffic to your offer is definitely to purchase traffic. If you're not familiar with that, I do have another video that you guys can take a look at. But that's how people are making money with this. They're just purchasing a lot of traffic and running the traffic to the program. Okay, so let's say you want to get started. This basically will talk to you about what's in. If you go through each of these, guys, okay, you're going to get access to the back office. I told you it's free to sign up for this. It's free to sign up for this program. But you want to come in here and take action on one of the levels, even if it's the $25 level, you know, whatever you can afford, whatever your means is, you want to get started. So that way you can start profiting. Okay. But each of these will tell you what's included in there. These are courses, marketing courses. Your inner greatness. There's some motivational stuff in here. Leadership authority, power mastery. So this is no secret. You go in here and you can see these things before you take action, before you sign up for it. There's a video for you to watch on each of these. That way you can get an idea of what these are all about. Okay. The Elevation Elite. Okay. Next step up. Okay. It tells you what's in here. Let's see. Vertex. Okay, that's my sponsor. If I were to get started with this today, you know, I'd have to pay the $250, right? So I'm at the first levels, guys. So I'm eligible to earn $100. If they come in at 25, I get that 25. So I'm able to earn at my current level and below. Again, so the higher up you go, it's going to be, you know, more money, obviously. Up to $2,000. Okay, so I'm not going to go into each of these. I just wanted to kind of give you an idea what those are all about. But clearly, you know, if you're a game changer and you really want to take your business to the next level, or you just want to, you know, you have that kind of capital to get started, I highly would take advantage of the higher levels, because the higher you go, the more money you're going to make with this. So now, they do offer some other things back here as far as how to market it, you know, text ads, banners, things like that you can use. There's support here. There's a leadership. My sponsor happens to be on the leadership board. He's right here. He's been on there for the last 30 days, actually more than 30 days. You can see here 3 months now. So I'm going to show you some more proof, guys. Now, as you can clearly see, I've people that are coming to this for me are coming through that other program I showed you guys, which is through this Profits Passport Review, and I highly recommend you check that out. I just wanted to do a basic, just a separate review of Easy1Up alone, just so you guys can kind of see that, because I wasn't able to break that down in Profits Passport Review. So this is kind of like the Easy1Up review, what it's about. So again, to clarify, it's basically what you're purchasing is marketing courseware that's digital. It's not a physical, tangible product, guys. It's all digitalized in this program. There's videos to watch. It breaks it down like I just showed you the first levels, which I'm in. And then as you get higher, it's going to go over more content. Okay, it's going to talk about how to do social media marketing, how to get traffic, how to do solo ads. Okay, those are things I already know, but maybe you're new to this. So that's what that's going to show you. So once you get in and you choose a level, obviously I get a commission. Okay, just like you'll get a commission once you start marketing it, but you'll be added to this. You can request access to the Easy1Up company only once you obviously sign up for the group. Okay, now these are some things that some income that people are making in here. For instance, this guy just basically 19 hours ago. I just received $500 payment while having lunch with my daughter. Pretty nice. Again, these guys are using traffic methods, paid traffic methods in order to get these kind of results. You know, if you have a big following on social media, this would be great for you, even to just do free marketing with it. I personally, again, love YouTube. I get a lot of views on my YouTube videos. I know how to, you know, engage with people on my YouTube videos. I do have a business page for Facebook, which I also shoot this kind of information out. But primarily, I like to focus on my YouTube channel, and I do Pinterest as well to get these kind of things out there. But as you can see, these numbers are no lie. And again, if people often ask, how are you getting these kind of numbers? It's because of people are purchasing traffic. It's the best way to not only get leads, because those leads now are yours in the system, and you can always keep them forever and keep marketing anything to them. So not just Easy1Up, you can market anything you want to them. So that's why I specifically like to buy paid traffic methods. Okay, you know, solo ad vendors. So I'm actually going to drop my number one, I'm going to drop two traffic sources that I currently use. One that I used for this, and I've gotten some, you know, that's how I was able to get my leads in the system. And then I'm going to drop another source that's also active buyers that are interested in affiliate marketing or work from home business opportunities. I'll drop those as well in the description if you're interested in knowing what I use. But anyway, guys, these are real results. Again, you can earn anywhere from $25 up to $2,000. This person got 100, so that's like what I'd be eligible for. If you came in at that level, I'd get the $100. All right, so on and on, $500. These are real-time results. This guy got total earned so far $1,550. So you guys will be added to this group as well, where you can see others' results. Jeff Ruiz, again, my mentor, who's killing it with this. He just got $2,000 while he was doing barbecuing. Okay, he's a really cool guy. So check that out. Okay, so I wanted to just show you that real quick. Again, it's Easy1Up. My review of this basically is, it is a good program if you're new to marketing, or if you already are in marketing. If you have a business, the tools in here are good because they're educating you, and we all need education. We need to stay up on our game. That's basically what you're purchasing, guys. You're purchasing digital marketing software, if you think about it like that. Okay, so we all need that, and there's a lot of good stuff in there that I recommend. And so if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and take a look at it. Again, guys, you can sign up for the site for this basic platform for free. You just create your username and all that. And then when you're ready to take action, you would just go in there and purchase one of those packages I just showed you guys. Okay. Whatever level that you can afford, you would come in that you would basically, the commission would come to me, and that's how you get started. You'll get added to our Easy1Up training group. I'm your sponsor. If you have questions about things, I'll be happy to help you there as well. If you have any questions about this, if you're in it, let me know how you're doing with it. What are you doing differently? How are you getting traffic to this program? Okay, so that's all I had to say for this video, guys. I hope you found some value. Please give me the like, hit that like button. Also be sure to check out that Profits Passport video I told you about, guys. It's really informative, and that's, again, what I'm using primarily to market this. I just wanted to kind of show you the back office of it in this video. But again, if you have any questions about it, drop it in the comments, guys. In the description, I'll have the link to this program, as well as those two solo ad methods that I'm using, or traffic methods that I'm using. You can check those out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.